In this video, we're going to be looking at how to apply the multiple bounce roll, also called the buzz roll, to the drum kit. And this is a rudiment you're going to hear in songs like Moanin' by Art Blakey and the Jazz Messengers, 7 Steps to Heaven by Miles Davis. And if you listen to any New Orleans or second line music, you're going to hear this rudiment used all the time in those kinds of grooves. So with that, let's check out some grooves and fills and see how we can use this on the kit. So those are a few ways that you can use this rudiment on the kit. Again, there's an infinite amount of possibilities when it comes to applying this to the kit. Now, one note, when you're working on this slowly, the rolls are going to sound a little bit disconnected, but you want to focus on making sure you're actually getting multiple bounces from each stroke. So have fun with this rudiment, and I'll see you all in the next video. Cheers.